your pet according to the instructions provided by Walkin wheels. Proper measurements ensure that the wheelchair is the right size for your pet. Assemble the wheelchair. Follow the assembly instructions provided by Walkin wheels to put together the rear dog wheelchair. This typically involves attaching the frame, wheels, and support components. Using a dog wheelchair for a knee injury. Using a dog wheelchair for a knee injury can be a helpful way to provide mobility support to your pet while allowing the affected knee to heal. It's essential to consult with your veterinarian to determine the best course of action for your dog's specific injury and to ensure that using a wheelchair is an appropriate solution. Assemble the wheelchair according to the provided instructions. This typically involves attaching the frame, wheels, and support components. Some dog wheelchairs are adjustable to accommodate different sizes and shapes. Signs and symptoms of dog knee injuries. Signs and symptoms of dog knee injuries. Difficulty or reluctance to bear, weight, swelling or enlargement, stiffness, pain or discomfort, decreased activity levels. Getting dog outside after surgery. After a surgery, it's essential to follow your veterinarian's recommendations for post-operative care and ensure a smooth and safe transition for your dog when getting them outside. The specific details may vary depending on the type of surgery and your veterinarian's instructions. Understanding mobility challenges. Educate people about the various conditions that may necessitate the use of dog wheelchairs, such as paralysis, neurological disorders, degenerative diseases, or injuries. Understanding the challenges these dogs face helps dispel misconceptions. Encourage empathy by highlighting the emotional and physical struggles of dogs with mobility issues. Emphasize that using a wheelchair enhances their quality of life, allowing them to remain active and engaged. Launch educational campaigns to provide information about dog wheelchairs, their benefits, and the positive impact they have on a dog's well-being. Utilize various media channels to reach a wide audience. Follow veterinarian's instructions. Adhere strictly to the post-operative care instructions provided by your veterinarian. These instructions may include limitations on activity, restrictions on movement, and guidelines for outdoor exposure. Before taking your dog outside, ensure that the surgical site is healing properly. Look for signs of infection, excessive swelling, or any abnormalities. If you notice any concerns, contact your veterinarian immediately. Be gentle when handling your dog, especially if they've had abdominal or spinal surgery. Lift and support them appropriately to minimize strain on the surgical site.